Good morning. Today we're going to talk about the contribution of the eradication of decide plants in the management of Huanglongbing in Cuba. Citrus Huanglongbing associated with Candidatus liberibacter asiaticus has been present in Cuba since 2006. As it has cured, its management is necessary. The most used strategy is based on the use of certified plants, reduction of inoculum source, and insect vector control. However, there are no scientific evidence that support the contribution of the elimination of infected plants to the management of Huanglongbing in Cuba. Nowadays, there is no legal support that obliges the producer to eradicate diseased plants. This is the reason why each company has done what is called. In all areas, the certified healthy material is the base of the planted areas. In all companies, the vector is chemical controlled with greater or lesser efficiency. The greatest obstacle of the producer is to eradicate diseased plants on their orchards. The objective of this work was to evaluate the contribution of the elimination of infected plants in the management of Huanglongbing in Cuba. 6 commercial citrus orchards were selected, 3 with management without and 3 with an eradication program. Orchards under eradication program also use certified trees for planting, chemical control of the insect vector, and removal of symptomatic trees. In orchards without an eradication program, the management and strategy was the same, but without eradication. For both treatments, insecticides were sprayed when the Afarina citrus was found. From May 2017 to November 2019, systematic surveys were conducted every 2 months. A plot of 900 citrus trees were observed in each select orchard. A tree was considered infected when its leaves showed the characteristic blotchy mottle. As you can see on graph on the left, orchards with eradication programs show lower incidence of symptomatic trees than orchards without eradication. This means a lower inoculum source as a lower number of secondary infections, and as it showed on the graph in the right. This had a different impact on the fruit production. As you can see, the production was higher on field with eradication than ones without this measure. In Cuba, a profitable orchard is one that produces more than 20 tons per hectare on the 6th year of the planting because this is a requirement to recover the investment. Examples of plantation 5 and 6 years old on fields without eradication. Examples of plantation of 5 and 6 years old planted in area with eradication. The results demonstrate that the removal of symptomatic trees should be implemented at a regional scale for the management of Huanglongbing in Cuba. Thanks for your attention.